Today we are telling you about Prince of Udaipur, Lakshraj Singh. The land of Rajasthan has been the witness of kings and Rajputana pride. These kings, who live in big forts, are often seen in Bollywood space three parties too, such as Lakshraj Singh, the grandson of Bhagwat Singh, the former king of the Mewar royal family. He is often seen with Bollywood celebrities. But there was a time when Lakshraj, who lived in royal opulence, also worked as a waiter for few days. Prince Lakshraj Singh of Udaipur was born on 28 January 1985. He is the son of King Arvind Singh of Udaipur, the patron of the Mewar royal family. Prince Lakshraj Singh's early education was completed from Mayo College in Ajmer, after which he completed his graduation from a college in Australia and went to Singapore to do hospitality course. After the completion of his studies, Lakshraj started his career as a waiter. During this time, he worked in many hotels and cafes in Australia. After he returned to Udaipur and started working to further his family business. He is now the executive director of HRH Group of Hotels. Prince Lakshraj Singh, who is fond of vehicles, is often in discussion. Like his father, he is also seen attending big events. Also, pages of Bollywood and royals are seen in the pastry parties and weddings. At the same time, they are also seen promoting events related to motor sports. He often shares photos and stars related to politics and Bollywood through social media. In 2013, in the engagement of Lakshraj Singh, many stars of politics and Bollywood, including the royals, were seen. You must have heard a lot about Dubai Prince. Discussion of his luxury life also happen every day. But do not take the Prince of Udaipur lightly. One of the most beautiful cities of Rajasthan and famous in the name of Lake City. The name of Prince of Udaipur is Lakshraj Singh Mewar. Udaipur Prince Lakshraj Singh Mewar and Mewar family's craze for luxury cars and SUV is not hidden from anyone. The Vintage Car Museum in the city is also proof of this. Udaipur Prince is once again in the news after buying Mahindra Thar 700. Let us know on the occasion about the life of Udaipur Prince Lakshraj Singh Mewar. Let us tell you that India's leading automaker Mahindra & Mahindra has recently launched the popular SUV Mahindra Thar 700 in the domestic market. The company will manufacture only 700 units of it. On the side of this SUV, a wage has been put by the company to complete 70 years in the automotive industry. The company's chairman Anand Mahindra himself has handed over the keys of the SUV, the Prince of Udaipur, with his own hands. PM Modi has also met members of the Mewar royal family during his visit to Udaipur.